I met a friend who was typing poems at the farmer's market and realized that it was more of a service to the community than trying to sell art for a lot of money. And it's far more gratifying to create something that's personal to that person. I don't charge anything for a poem. The sign says, your topic, your price. So it's what the person feels the value of that poem is to them. For me, it's not about money. I can make a lot of money doing something else, but what I get out of it is just the joy that people receive from me doing something that they just take with them. I never see the poem again, but that's also not the point. It's for them. It's the moment that we shared that they'll always have. Yesterday out here, there was a young lady and her boyfriend went inside the store, and she asked me to write a poem about sex with her boyfriend. She wanted it to be dirty. I read it to her over there. She was afraid for me to read it in front of people, and she loved it. What I prefer about the typewriter is the timelessness, but also it lacks, I think, the ego of it being me that created it. It's more about the poem and the creation. People respond to the fact that it's typed. I've been doing this for a little over a year now. I plan to keep doing it forever, indefinitely. Bringing this kind of art that seems rare to a community that I grew up in, and sharing it in places that, I don't know, I want other people to share it, you know? Up early and purring, my timeless friend, liquid and languid, from end to furry end. We share our own language, from whence can't be said. But that moment that sun rose, you're up on the bed, licking my head. At midnight, I'm winding down, yet your day just begins. It's the magic in darkness, I guess. You shine from within.